Now today in this video I am going to explain how to solve a quadratic inequation. So for example, x square minus 3x minus 10 is greater than 0 is the inequation to be solved. First step, we factorize this inequation. So in order to factorize it, we take product is equal to, and product is equal to, we write the product of the coefficient of x square and the constant term. Coefficient of x square is 1 and constant term is minus 10. So product is minus 10. Then we write here sum, and that is equated to the coefficient of x, that is minus 3. Now we have to think of two numbers whose product is minus 10 and whose sum is minus 3. So the numbers are minus 5, comma 2. Minus 5 and 2. Simply the product of these two numbers is minus 10 and the sum of these two numbers is minus 3. So here we go x square, and in place of minus 3 we write minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is greater than 0. Then we make pairs of the terms. Out of first pair, it is clear that x is common, so we have x minus 5 in the bracket. In the next pair, 2 is common, so we have x minus 5 in the bracket is greater than 0. Now x minus 5 bracket is common, so taking x minus 5 common out of it, we have x plus 2 in the other bracket greater than 0. In this way we factorize the quadratic inequation. Then equating these two linear binomials to 0, we find the value of x. If x minus 5 is equal to 0, then it implies that x is equal to 5. And if x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. So we write a number line, we draw a number line, and we write minus infinity on the left and plus infinity on the right, and we plot these two numbers sensibly. That means the smaller number should be on left, that is minus 2, and greater number should be on right, plus 5. If there is equality with this inequality, we write dark circles over there showing that these limit points are included in. And if there is only greater than sign and without the symbol of equation, we write hollow circle showing that these two limit points are not included. After that, these 2 points divide this number line into 3 segments. At the rightmost segment we write plus, and then we put alternately negative and positive sign. So plus, minus, plus. We start from the rightmost and we go on putting plus, minus alternately. And so we have filled all these 3 segments in this way. After that we observe, if there is greater than sign, we observe only the segments in which there is plus sign. If there is less than sign over there, we observe the segment in which there is negative sign. So we see plus is there in 2 segments, that is from 5 to infinity and from minus infinity to minus 2. So x belongs to minus infinity comma minus 2, and if there are 2 segments or more in which plus signs are there, so we have taken the union of both these segments. So minus infinity to minus 2 union 5 comma infinity. In this interval, the sign of this expression is positive, that is the value of this expression will be greater than 0 for any value of x lying in these two intervals or in the whole interval minus infinity to minus 2 union 5 comma infinity. So this is the way to solve a quadratic inequation. Further, if you have any query related to this, you may write in the comment section and I will try my best to upload a video for that particular query. Thank you.